Hi guys, and what's up? And remember in the last episode, I told you it's gonna be 3 days of fun. So this is another video of remote control driving with a few crashes only. See if you can do that. Before we get started, let me put the car correctly. Yep, see, car's right here. Batteries are in. Well, now let's get started for your fun activity thing. So now let me move the camera. If you guys cannot see, I'm gonna move the camera. Yep, that's kind of not enough. This is enough. I'm gonna put this car right down here. And remember, I told you that little thing, it actually controls the directions. We don't have that, so the directions might be wiggly or wiggly, as you can see. So let's get started. Wait. It looks perfectly driving now. I can perfectly drive now. Guys, I just did a drift there, as you did see. And by the way, somehow the batteries went. And I don't know how that happened. But we are still not stopping yet. That doesn't mean I haven't done one crash yet. No crash is done yet, guys. We are walking this. Now I'm looking from the screen and yeah. Now I'm looking from the bus. Okay. By the way, in this video, a few crashes are only gonna happen. So yeah. Oh god, that was almost a crash. Almost. But we doubles can survive that. That was almost close call. That was a crash, guys. That was a crash. Oh, guys, that was a crash. And as you can see, those batteries right there they are destroyed. Let's just put that back. Yeah, guys, it's back, and we are about to get quick sleep. Oh, good guys. Okay, that was a crash. That was a crash. I couldn't control. Oh, guys, I can't control this. Oh shit. 2 crashes. So far, I have 3 crashes in total. Keep in count. Guys, that battery just went. But guys, I know we can stop this video now. Because we already are champs in driving. But guys, tomorrow is my birthday. And we are going to do the funnest video without no crashes. Bye.